everybody, and welcome back to another K Crochets tutorial. Today I'm going to show you one way of adding fringe. You can use any yarn for this, and you can use it on a knitting or crochet project. So I went ahead and cut a couple strands of yarn all at the same length. For this specific project, I'm only going to be using 2 at a time, but feel free to use more or less. To begin, make sure that the right side of the project is facing you, so the side that's going to be seen. You're then going to find the center of the strands of yarn that you're using and fold it in half to make a loop. Now you just have to determine where all you want to add fringe on your project. I am personally skipping a stitch and then adding one, so I'm going to skip another stitch and then add it here. Go ahead and place your hook under on the bottom of your project, through a stitch and through to the top. You're then going to place the loop you just made over the hook like so and pull that through. At this point, you're going to want to check your tails. Mine are quite uneven, so I'm going to pull the shorter tail, keeping my finger in the loop and pulling it until they're pretty even like this. I'm then going to place my pointer finger and thumb through the bottom of the loop. I'm going to grab the tails and I'm going to pull those through. And now you're simply just going to pull the tails until the knot is nice and secure. And this is what your finished fringe should look like on the right side. As you can see, it looks much cleaner than the wrong side. And that's it. You now know how to add fringe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help support me and my family. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great day and happy making.